Hello everyone, it's Charlie, your medical supply specialist here with another FYI product video. Today we're looking at the digital sunrise alarm clock. That's product SB-821. This product will allow light to slowly begin to shine 15, 30, 60, or 90 minutes before your wake-up time. The alarm volume will steadily increase with the light. There's also a sundown feature, which will allow you to fall asleep as the light slowly dims until you fall asleep. You can control the brightness, automatic nightlight, snooze, and there's a security mode. Within the security mode, the sunrise alarm clock light will go on and off at random times while you're out of town, giving the appearance that someone is home. This item is covered by a 1-year warranty. Again, this is the digital sunrise alarm clock SB-821. Thanks so much for watching.